Think you know the national animals of countries around the world? Which is the national animal of Canada? Correct answer. B. Beaver. The beaver is Canada's national animal, symbolizing industry and perseverance since 1975. Which mythical creature is the national animal of Scotland? Correct answer. C. Unicorn. Surprisingly, Scotland's national animal is the unicorn, a symbol of purity and strength in Celtic mythology. What is the national animal of Thailand? Correct answer. B. Asian elephant. The Asian elephant is highly respected in Thai culture, representing royalty and strength. Which animal represents Spain as its national symbol? Correct answer. A. Bull. The bull is Spain's unofficial national animal, deeply tied to its cultural identity, especially through bullfighting. What is the national animal of South Korea? Correct answer. A. Siberian tiger. The Siberian tiger symbolizes courage and power in Korean folklore and is considered a guardian of the nation. Which is the national animal of Egypt, often linked with its ancient gods? Correct answer. A. Cat. Cats were sacred in ancient Egypt. They were seen as protectors and linked with the goddess Bastet. This fierce big cat is the Asiatic lion, a symbol of strength. Which country calls it their national animal? Correct answer. C. India. India's national animal is the Royal Bengal tiger, but the Asiatic lion is the emblem of Gujarat's Gir forest, featured on the national emblem. This adorable marsupial lives only in eucalyptus forests. Which country's national animal is the koala? Correct answer. A. Australia. Although the red kangaroo is officially the national animal, the koala is widely associated with Australia and its unique wildlife. This majestic animal appears on the country's coat of arms. Which nation claims the red deer as its national animal? Correct answer. A. Ireland. The red deer is Ireland's largest wild mammal and symbolizes the nation's natural heritage. This rare black and white bear is a global symbol of conservation. Which country is it native to and a symbol of? Correct answer. C. China. The giant panda is China's national treasure and a key ambassador in international diplomacy. The Malayan tiger represents bravery and strength. Which Southeast Asian country does it belong to? Correct answer. B. Malaysia. The Malayan tiger is featured in Malaysia's coat of arms and symbolizes courage. The resplendent quetzal is a colorful bird of freedom. Which country honors it as their national animal? Correct answer. B. Guatemala. The quetzal is also the name of the Guatemalan currency and represents liberty and independence. This strong and wild creature roams the steppes. Which nation celebrates the Przeleski's horse as a national symbol? Correct answer. A. In Mongolia. Przeleski's horse is the only true wild horse and a national symbol of Mongolia's nomadic heritage. The markhor, with spiral horns, thrives in mountainous regions. Which country does it represent? Correct answer. C. Pakistan. The markhor is Pakistan's national animal, symbolizing resilience and grace in rugged terrain. The mute swan is an elegant symbol of royalty and grace. Which European country holds it in high regard? Correct answer. B. England. The mute swan is legally protected by the British monarchy and is considered a royal bird. How many countries did you guess right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like, share with your quiz-loving friends. And subscribe for more brain-boosting challenges at Brain Quest Hub.